Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 cool things you can do with the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. And the first thing I want to show you is if you're in a restaurant or in a cinema and someone is calling you and you forgot to put your phone on silence, there's a pretty nice way to put the phone immediately on silence. We just put it on a flat surface and it is immediately muted. And what is pretty cool also, if you pick up your phone later, could you hear that? You will have a little vibration that you know, hey, there's some notifications or there are some missed calls and so on and so on. So a pretty nice mode. The next feature I want to show you is pretty crazy because you can have with one phone, two phones. So with one device, two spaces. So one maybe for your private stuff, the other one for your business stuff. Or one space for your private stuff and the other one for your very private stuff. Let me show you a bit more about. So just scroll down here, tap here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to go to the point security and privacy. You need to scroll down a bit to the point more security settings. And we will need now the first point, the secure folder. Okay, go on, continue. And May is asking you right now for a Samsung account. Then you have to enter it if you're having one. If you don't have one, you can use also your Google email address to create one. Okay, after we're ready with, just go and continue, and then the phone is creating that secure folder. This is taking maybe 1 minute around, and yeah, that's the reason why I forward the video right now. Okay, we are in the next step now, and now we can choose for the security a PIN, a password, or a pattern. I'm more fan of the PIN, and yeah, enter now a PIN for the secure folder. I will choose 4 times the 9. Please take a better one. Go after continue or done. He's angry now, it's not the best one, or he's warning me now better, so I use it anyway. Now we enter the same PIN, so in my case 4 times the 9. Please take yours. After go on OK or done, and yeah. This is also an important point. I would turn it on because if you forget this password, then you have always the chance to reset it with the Samsung account. Okay, turn it on, and you can set up also a fingerprint here, but you can do this also later. So just go next to have a look what is a secure folder. And here we are. The secure folder is the second space, as I've said, with an own camera app. So on all the pictures I'm doing here, they are only visible at my secure folder. Let me go out here so that I'm here at the gallery now. They're only visible here at the gallery of the secure folder. Cool, huh? And we have an own internet browser, and all the website I'm surfing on, they're only visible at the browser history here at a secure folder. Same with contacts, you can have own contacts, you can have own files, own notes, own calendar entries, and you can have also own apps here. Now, if you tap on the plus symbol, you can clone now some apps here of your main storage, maybe WhatsApp, just an example, go on that, and I'm having WhatsApp here. Independent from the WhatsApp account you're having already on your phone. It's with another number, then you can set up another number here. And if you want to have more apps, just go on the plus symbol here, and you can have also here from the Play Store and Galaxy Store apps you don't have actually on your phone. So a pretty nice mode. So let me go back here. So very independent. But where to find the secure folder, how you can go there, easy. At the app drawer, you will have your icon for the secure folder. Just tap on it and you're in the secure folder. But hold on, he's not asking for the PIN. We have entered a PIN before. Yes, the PIN comes only if you turn, so if you turn off the screen. Then if I on it again from standby, then I enter my phone PIN. And if I want to enter now the secure folder, I have to enter my PIN code now for the secure folder. So 4 times the 9. And just now I'm back here at the secure folder. If you say you don't want to enter the PIN code all the time, or if you say, okay, I want to have a better PIN that the folder is always locked after I leave the folder, just go in the 3 points, go on the settings, go on auto locks, secure folder, and you can set it up if you want to have the best security option here. Each time if you're leaving an app, the secure folder is locked, or if you say you don't want to have always this PIN thing, then just go here. Just when you restart the phone, then you need to enter the PIN. If you have already data on your phone, which one belongs to the secure folder, you can go here maybe on the gallery, and here you can then mark maybe some pictures. No? Long press one of them, and now you can mark other ones. Go on more and go on move to secure folder, and they are moved now to the secure folder. And let's have a look. Our secure folders here, and they are now here only visible at the gallery of our secure folder. Another way to have them in a secure folder is by tapping here on the 3 points and go on add files, and here you can add also images, videos and documents and so on. So there are many options. If you say you don't want to have this folder here because everyone can see this icon and thinks, okay, maybe he's hiding something or something like this, and it's not that bad, then you can also set it up here. If you tap on the 3 points here, you can customize it, no? By giving it maybe another logo, no? Maybe a cloud. No? You can change also the color here, no? As I've done it already, and you can give it, of course, also another name. No? Just an example. Go after on done or apply, and yeah, it has another name then, and this is how it looks like. It looks more innocent now and not that bad like like the icon before. The next feature I want to show you is if you want to use your phone with one hand, because it's not that comfortable because the screen is pretty large and so on. You can do it. I have large fingers already, but yeah, it's made better if the screen would be a bit smaller, and you can do that by your own. By just scrolling down here the home button like this, and we are having a mini screen. Now we can do all the stuff we wanted to do. We can even play games with or entering messaging apps and so on and so on. But don't wonder if this feature doesn't work at you right now, because you have to enable it first. So just scroll down here just tap on the symbols for the settings. Then you need to go to the point advanced features, and you will find the one-handed mode. Need to be marked blue, so that's turned on, like in my case now. That means whenever you scroll down now the home button, you are having the mini screen. If you're left-handed, by the way, you can use also here with the arrow the other side. And what I recommend to you is also to use the bar here on top, because then you can put it in the most comfortable position for you. And then you can easily just have it here with one hand navigation. If you want to go outside, just tap here on the outside, and you are back in the regular mode. So a pretty nice feature. The next feature I want to show you is for the camera, because you can easily open the camera by just double tapping the power button, and you immediately hit the camera without wasting time and so on. And pretty awesome is this works also if the phone is on standby. Just double press the power button and you immediately at the camera without wasting time, and hey, maybe it saves a great picture one day. Okay, if you're already at the camera, let me take a picture here with, because I want to show you also something pretty nice. And coins. So let's go here on the preview, or I can do it as well in the gallery later. Go here on the eye for the information. You can see also the resolution and so on of the picture, and we have here a nice pointer object eraser. Okay, so the system is detecting the picture and check out what to do. And let me remove here the 5-cent coin. For that, just mark it, go a bit over the object, and go then on erase, and it's disappeared. Crazy, huh? My table have a little structure and so on. It's even imitated here on the screen, on the picture. So pretty nice. There, gone. Pretty awesome, huh? After, just go on save, and the picture will be a part of your gallery. Awesome. The next feature I want to show you is you can easily split the screen here on the phone. So that means the screen is large enough to let run 2 apps at the same time. Maybe if you want to watch a YouTube video while checking something on the internet, it is possible. Let me show you with our example how you can do this. So just open the YouTube app here first, then take the phone, take 2 fingers, swipe them from down to the middle of the screen, and you have splitted the screen. And now you can choose here on the lower screen which app you want to have. Let's continue with our example. Now let's open the internet browser here. And now I'm having the internet browser below and on top YouTube. So I can look a video, I can watch a video here while checking something on the internet. Pretty nice, huh? But don't wonder if this doesn't work at you as well, because you have to enable this feature first. For that, just scroll down here, tap here on the symbol for the settings, go down now to the point Advanced Features, and here you will find the point Multi-Window. And I recommend to you to enable the first 2 points here, and swipe for split screen view and swipe for pop-up view. Okay, let's try one more time. Let's go to YouTube or another app. Now it works with many apps. And then take 2 fingers, swipe them from below to the middle, and you have split the screen. Pretty easy. Then choose an app from below, maybe the gallery, just an example. And now I'm having below the gallery, and here on top I'm having YouTube. By the way, if you need more space for the YouTube, just go here on the 3 points, hold them and swipe them down. Then you're having more space for YouTube, or the opposite, swipe them up, and you have more space for the gallery or whatever app you have below here on your screen. So pretty nice. If you want to go out, just tap on the home button and yeah, you're back on the home screen. There's something else. Let's open YouTube again. And now you can open it as well on a floating window. We're just going from the corner, swiping it gently to the size you want to have, and now I'm having a floating window. Pretty nice. And here with the blue bar, I can put it on another position, and now I can watch a YouTube video while doing something else here on the phone. If I want to remove this little floating window or this pop-up later, just tap here on the blue bar and go on the X, or you can also here increase the size on the arrows here, and then it's on full screen. Pretty nice. The next feature I want to show you is if you're having kids, or if this phone is for a child, then you can enable a kids mode. A pretty nice one, a very child-friendly one. Let me show you a bit more about. So just scroll up like this, that you're in the app drawer, and the icon kids is not available right now, but you can look for it by just entering it here at the search bar. So enter here just the word kid. And here's it already for kids. So this app is already visible here after entering the 2 letters here. Just tap on kids. So now we are at the kids app. First of all, we have a little instruction here. Go and continue. Go and continue as well. And yeah, then you have to allow some stuff and so on. And we are in it. First of all, you need to do what you need to do is to download the apps here, which one you want to have. I would recommend to download them all. Just tap here on one of these apps. Then he's connecting you to the Galaxy Store. You have to accept some terms and conditions. Don't choose this one here because you will receive some ads and so on. Go then after on agree and on install, and this app is downloaded. So I will do it now with the other apps, and I will forward the video right now. I've downloaded now here all the apps, and let me explain it a bit. So you have an own phone here for your child, and you can allow it only to use some numbers. He cannot call everyone though. He can only call the numbers you have allowed before. Pretty nice, yeah? A bit similar to the secure folder, we have an own camera here, and all the pictures you are taking here, it is still only visible at the gallery here, at this child feature here. So you have also some effects because children love that. Now you have here some funny eyes and so on. If I, you see that? I have now funny eyes. Children love that, and it's a pretty nice tool. And as I have said, these pictures are only visible here at the gallery here in this child featured app. And it has also an own browser, and you can give some website, and only these websites are visible for your children. And have nice games and so on here as well for children. And if you want to give some more apps later, just go on the 3 points, go on more apps for kids, or you can add also apps the child knows maybe from your main space. You have to enter first your phone pin, so you want to unlock the screen with, or in case you're having an extra pin here. I will show you the next app for your phone. Then you have to enter this one. Just go on the plus symbol here to add now some apps. Then you can add maybe, I don't know, if you say Spotify, no? Or you can add also other apps. Maybe the child is allowed to have Spotify, then go on the add symbol, and now he's having as well Spotify here in this app. So pretty nice. After go on save, and what is pretty nice and pretty sweet, they put it as a present. So you can give it a child then, and they say, oh, can I use a new app? Tap on it and hey, surprise, surprise. So they make it really, really cute, and I really love that. And yeah, if you want to go out, because if you tap on the home button, you can't go out, but if you want to go out, go on the back button here, and then you have to enter the the home, also the phone pin, so the one to unlock the screen with. Now go on continue or done, and you're out of this option. But the child knows which code you have maybe on your phone, because maybe you have used it before. And for that, I recommend to you to set up an own Samsung Kids pin. Just tap here on the 3 points, go on the settings, and enter first your phone pin. And after, you can set up your lock type for parental controls, and you can have a Samsung pin here. And that's much better because children are clever. They know what they do. Okay, but how you can enter this app here, because you don't want to look always here with the search bar and so on. We have an own icon now. We have created an own icon automatically, and here it is. Always tap here on kids, and then you are directly here in this kids mode. A pretty sweet and nice mode if you're having children. The next feature I want to show you is almost invisible, but you have a little sidebar here. Can you see that? You can easily swipe it out, and you have quick access to your favorite apps. So pretty nice, and also pretty comfortable if you want to use your phone with one hand. Now just swipe it out, and you have quick access here to your favorite apps. And you can edit this little bar. Let's swipe it out, and we have a little pen here. Now we can maybe remove here this Google app for making video calls, and add maybe Instagram, just an example. Go then here on the home button. That means whenever you swipe out now the sidebar, you will have here Instagram now at your sidebar. By the way, if you're long pressing here the sidebar, you can put it also in a lower position, or even to the other side if you're left-handed. So pretty nice. Choose the best position for it. And the last feature I want to show you is that you can use the camera, not only as a camera, you can use it also for reading QR codes. I'm having a QR code, I hold it over it, and then it gives you the text or the link, in my case the text, you tap it. And I want to tell you here with that, thanks for watching Phones and More. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could give you some nice tips and tricks here for this phone. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That will be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. I can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.